जय श्री राधे। डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज 1। डिक्टेशन 80 words a minute. Start. Will the young man was an engineer and made a beautiful young person with eyes so clear and true had been a maid in a big boarding house at the seaside before her marriage. Full stop. Neither of them had had any opportunity to save money and to buy even the smallest house. It was necessary to have some capital to put down for the first payment. Full stop. There had been times during that month of April when May thought that Bill had lost interest in her. Full stop. He sat so often deep in thought and without speaking. When she asked him what he was thinking about, he would answer shortly, work. Full stop. And then one day he told her the truth. Full stop. The big engineering works where he spent his days had set a competition for their workers. Full stop. The company desired to cut its operating costs, and being a forward-thinking undertaking, it believed that the workers themselves who had to do the work. Full stop. Might probably be able to think of ways and means of improving methods. Full stop. The first prize was to be £500 if the best suggestion put forward seemed worth that sum. Full stop. So Bill had thought and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods. Full stop. The following day he told May the employees were to learn who had won the prizes. Full stop. May put her hands in his, for she saw that he cared very much, that he had high hopes, but she could not help feeling that the £500 would never be theirs. Full stop. She was wrong. Bill won the prize, and his suggestions were considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company had marked him down as a man worth watching. Full stop.